Hello and warmly welcome to Scamper IT Services. Hope all is well. Inside this video, we are going to look at how we can become an EVD seller and also register retailers and make money out of it. Alright, so without much ado, we all know EVD to be a transfer system in Ghana here where people sells the transfer and make commission out of it. Inside this video, we are going to use a system that has been well uh, set up to help us transfer EVD airtimes and data packs to our clients and also make money out of it. Alright, so without much ado, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos. Let's get into it. So we go onto our dash section and we dash *161 *1 hash. Okay, so you are going to have this dashboard if you have been registered as a retailer. Okay, so without much ado, I'm going to register someone inside this video and also teach you how to go about it when using this portal. Okay, so what you are going to do next is to go to option 5. Okay, to go to option 5 whenever you want to register a retailer. So you enter the retailer's mobile number here, and inside this video I'm going to enter one of my team's number here. So after entering the number, I just give the team a code. Okay, so I'm going to give him a code. So let's say the code is 2023. Okay, he can do the changes, so no need for me to close everything. So 2023, then I confirm the pin. Okay, so right after confirming the pin, it says congrats, you created an account for the number. So our account creation is done. Okay, our account creation is done for that number. All right, so let's go back to the code *161 *1 hash. Okay, and let me show you how to top up using this section. So you can top up from your mobile money. Okay, you can top up from your mobile money, and let's go to option 4 on the list. So going to option 4, it says top up e-credit with mobile money. Okay, and send e-credit to retailer. So sending e-credit to retailer, someone, let's say you've registered someone and the person needs airtime, the person is not on MTN mobile money, you can just send it to the person. Okay, straight. And this, you can send airtime to all network. Okay, you can send airtime to all network and make money. So this number, okay, or another number. All right, so let's say the mobile money account is on this number or is on another number. If it's on another number, then you add that particular number. Okay, but here it's on this number, so let send. Okay, and enter the amount. We are going to let's say deposit 2 Ghana cedis. Okay, so we tap on send. All right, so it says process completed. You receive an alert to approve payment, or go to your mobile money menu to approve the payment. Okay, so as we await the prompt, let's talk something. But you know, the prompt, if the prompt delayed, okay, so the prompt is in, so I'm going to enter my mobile money, okay, pin. So I will close this. Right after entering your mobile money pin, you just tap 1 to confirm the purchase or the confirm the payment, and it is done now. So let's get back to the platform and know how to sell. Okay, know how to sell. All right, so let's go back *161 *1 hash and get back to the platform. But before then, let's look at how to check our balance first. Okay, let's look at how to check our balance first. So you go to check your balance, you go to uh option 3. Okay, option 3, and you go to check balance. Okay, you go to check balance, so you enter your mobile money pin and you are good to go. Okay, you are good to go. All right, so let's get back there again. Let's get back there again. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos. All right, so what we are going to do here is we've learned how to register a retailer, how to top up, and now we are going to look at how to send airtime, and finally we are done. Okay, finally we are done. So let's go to option 1, send airtime. You enter the mobile number there. Okay, you enter the mobile number there. All right, so I've entered that number. You can send to all network. Okay, all network, Vodafone, Airtel Tigo, and MTN. Okay, then let me just enter 1.50. Say I'm buying a time of 1.50. Then I enter my pin. Okay, I enter my pin. All right, so right after entering your pin, you confirm one. Okay, so right after confirming the one, it says the payment is successful. So let's check. You see, just now the payment is in. Okay, the payment is in just now. All right, so let's talk something here. Okay, let's talk something here. Let's go to the portal and check this. Okay, and check this. You know, whenever you register someone on this portal, the person will be able to also register some people. And if you watching this video is much interested in getting registered, please I'm going to drop my number in the description of this video so that you can quickly text me on WhatsApp, and you will get registered. Okay, you will get registered. All right, so to reset your pin, just go to my account. Okay, option 3, my account, option 3, and you go to change pin. Okay, change pin. All right, the old pin, let's say, let me enter my old. So after entering the old pin, let's say it was 2023. So you can now enter a new pin there. Okay, uh it should be 4. Okay, okay, so let me just enter 123, 123, 4. Okay, then you confirm. Okay, so right after confirming, then you are good to go. Okay, then you are good to go. So thank you guys for coming through. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos, because this channel is made for you, and you need not to miss any of our videos. So please don't forget to subscribe. My name is Richard Jan, and I'm out.